Not a bad day out today. Good time to do some sandblasting, clean up the inside edges of the doors. Well, that's a lot quicker than trying to sand all that off by hand. Found a little more rust in the lower corner on that door. It's the one corner I hadn't done. Guess I'm doing it now too. Other than that, it cleaned up pretty good. Only spot I did on the top is just around here where the door handles go in. It's kind of indented there, really hard to sand any other way. Didn't want to do anything on all the flat steel just because I didn't want to warp it. A little bit more to blast on the front fenders. Clean up all those inside edges and the bumper indents on the front corners. Worst part about doing this outside when it's cold is my hood keeps fogging up. We got to keep taking it off so the lens will clear. But it keeps all the mess out of the shop. Clean up door jambs, trunk gutters, a few little places like that. You probably hear my cows in the background. I sold my calves this morning, so the cows aren't real impressed with me. Well, that B-pillar cleaned up really fast. I did a little bit on the lower quarter as well, just where there was still some gravel guard on it. I didn't want to get too far into that. It seems to be done fairly well and there's no rust underneath. Oh, the trunk lid's all blasted. Just did the bottom side and around the edges. One little spot there to do some rust repair. I think there was a mouse nest in there while the car was sitting. Just rotted that little corner out on the inner structure. Nothing serious. It's starting to get dark out, but it's still fairly warm today. Let me give the underside of the hood a quick blast too while I'm at it. So you can see the hood came off a formerly gold car and it really wasn't prepped at all before the black got sprayed over. Half of it's peeled off already.